Are you an affiliate marketer looking for ways to boost your sales and maximize your earnings? You may think that having a website is essential for success in the affiliate marketing world. But what if we told you there are other ingenious ways to increase your sales without a website? In this article, we will share with you 10 effective strategies that will help you skyrocket your affiliate sales and take your earnings to new heights. So let's dive right in. Leverage social media platforms. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer an excellent opportunity to promote affiliate products without needing a website. Create engaging posts with compelling content related to the products or services you're promoting. Use eye-catching visuals, catchy captions, and include your unique affiliate link. Harness the power of email marketing. Build an email list of potential customers interested in the niche or industry relevant to your affiliate products. Send out regular newsletters providing valuable information and recommendations while subtly including links to the products or services you're affiliated with. Write guest posts on high-traffic blogs. Find popular blogs within your niche that accept guest posts. Craft high-quality articles showcasing your expertise while subtly incorporating product recommendations with affiliate links. Utilize YouTube videos. Video content is becoming increasingly popular among internet users. Create informative videos related to the products or services you're promoting as an affiliate marketer and include links in the video description box. Participate in online forums and communities. Join online forums and communities where people discuss topics related to your niche or industry. Provide helpful insights, answer questions, and recommend relevant products when appropriate, always including your unique affiliate link. Collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing has proven its effectiveness time and time again. Partner up with influencers who have a significant following in niches relevant to your affiliate products. They can promote the products through their social media channels or dedicated content. Offer exclusive deals and discounts. Everyone loves a good deal. Negotiate exclusive discounts or offers with the companies you're affiliated with. Promote these special deals on your social media platforms, email newsletters, and other online communities to attract potential customers. Create engaging content on Medium. Medium is a popular publishing platform where you can write informative articles related to your niche without needing a website. Include affiliate links within your content and provide valuable insights that engage readers. Utilize pay-per-click advertising. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising allows you to target specific keywords relevant to your affiliate products and display ads on search engine results pages or other websites. Drive traffic directly to the product page using PPC campaigns, ensuring that you earn commissions for every click converted into a sale. Host webinars or online events. Organize webinars or online events where you can share knowledge about topics related to your niche while subtly promoting affiliate products during the sessions. Provide value upfront and build trust with participants before recommending any products. In conclusion, as an affiliate marketer, there are numerous ingenious ways to boost sales without relying solely on having a website. By leveraging social media platforms, harnessing email marketing strategies, writing guest posts on high-traffic blogs, utilizing YouTube videos, participating in online forums and communities, collaborating with influencers, offering exclusive deals and discounts, creating engaging content on Medium, utilizing pay-per-click advertising techniques, and hosting webinars or online events, you can maximize your earnings today. Remember that each strategy requires careful planning and execution tailored specifically for your target audience's preferences and needs. So go ahead. Implement these strategies one by one until you find what works best for you. Start boosting those affiliate sales today.